Hello and welcome back to Glam Tones. It's me, Gigi, and you can see we got some stuff here. We've got a new brand to the channel. I have never used this before, nor had I heard about it before Amazon offered it to me when I looked something up. So I did not actually buy the thing I looked up, but I saw these and I put them on a little list. And when I saw them go on sale, thank you to the honey extension. This is not an ad for honey. I just really like honey. If you guys don't use it, give it a shot. Anyway, I ran out of breath right there. My goodness. Guys, it's time for our giveaway. So I wanted to try these polishes. I thought, what a great time to try them when they are having a good deal, because I can get some for you guys and some for the channel. So what I've got here is 2 sets of the LanFo Perfect Gel Polish. Let's go ahead and crack open my set, because your set will come to you. Whoever wins this giveaway, your set will come to you perfectly sealed. So this is what we've got. I've already cracked mine open, but I have not used any of the polish yet. And I picked some that I thought would take you all the way through the next 3 seasons, because there's some yellow in here and some orange in here. Those are springy colors, but also some fall colors. You're also gonna use green for some spring colors. Definitely, those are great colors for summer as well. And then I thought, that's just not enough. So I went on ahead and grabbed another one. And this is the purple set, the purple red set. When I cracked open one of the bottles from my set, it looked very nice. So of course we're gonna do a little swatching today. I've got a couple of other things that are gonna come out in the giveaway. We've got a set of tweezers here to use with your transfer foil, and I've got some, let's pop this open. I put this little set together for you guys. I've got some, I bought some new, if I could ever get them out, some new water decals. I don't want to pull them all the way out, but there's a bunch of pretty things in here to get you ready for some spring and summer nails. Because I know I'm sick of winter nails. Are you guys sick of winter nails? If I see another winter nail, I'm gonna shoot myself in the head. All right, that's kind of dramatic. Put together some glitters and some shell pieces and a nice little collection of gems. So this is what will be coming out to the winner of this giveaway, and we will get to what you need to do for that at the end of the video. So I guess my rock stars will enter, right? Also, heads up, it is a subscriber giveaway, so you will need to be subscribed. So what I'm gonna do now is go ahead and crack these open, and we are gonna go ahead and swatch them out and play some nice little music for you guys. And at the end, I will come back and we will talk about what I thought and give you some giveaway instructions. squad. Here we are with all of our swatches. I had a good time. First impressions, I had a good time with this polish. I enjoyed using it. There's a couple of shades like this one and this one and this one. Even this little green right here. A little on this one, but not as much. Where if you are pulling on the brush too hard, you're gonna get some shadowing, so watch your technique. But this is just an opportunity to grow your technique. That's the way I look at it. The colors are rich and beautiful. I thought this was a black when I first opened it. That it's a purple is just, oh, that is blowing my mind, you guys. I really, really love that. These are super fun. And of course, I'm gonna wear some super quickly so that we can do a wear test. And I will let you know in a future video how I like them over time. But first impressions are positive. So let's go ahead and get to the giveaway information, because of course that's what you want to know. First and foremost, you must be subscribed to win. If you would please share this video everywhere you share videos. That is not one of the criteria, or is it going to get you anything extra. I just would really appreciate it. You guys are so great in the way that you support me. So if you would just take that one extra step with your support and give me a share, that will help us grow this community. And I know the more people we have, the more fun it gets, and the more things that YouTube gives us to play with. So let's grow this community by sharing this video. But so first rule, be subscribed. Second rule, really simple, leave me a comment in the little comment box down below so that I know you are interested in this giveaway. It's that simple. That's all you gotta do. Subscribe, click that subscribe button. You're seeing it on the screen right now, subscribe button. And leave a comment. Now, because YouTube is not going to allow us to message each other, what I'm gonna do is leave a comment on your comment that you've won. And once I've done that, please go ahead and just give me a way to contact you, whether it's email or Instagram or Facebook, whatever way you prefer to be contacted, let me know. And as soon as I take that information, I will delete that comment so that everybody's not spamming you silly stuff for all of time. And then I will get your information from you, and we will go from there about getting you the prize. Now, the one caveat to this, guys, is that you've got to be in the continental United States. I do not have shipping money to go all over the world or to Alaska or Hawaii. I'm really, really sorry if you are not in the contiguous United States. Please do not enter this contest, because once I realize where you live, we will have to pick someone else, and it just becomes a whole thing. And so please understand that at this time I do not have shipping money for that, but in the future that's going to change. I have no doubt about it. So we will deal with that when we get there. I guess I'm sending you a little dog hair from my Jake as well. Okay, guys, the last thing really quickly, I am going to leave this contest to run until the 28th. On the 27th, that will be the last day you can enter, because on the 28th, I am going to go ahead and do the drawing, message the winner, or comment to the winner, and then get their information to contact them. All right, guys, I hope that was pretty easy to understand. If you have any questions, leave me a comment and I will clarify to the best of my ability. Good luck to everyone who enters, and we will see you on Monday for another awesome video. Until then, bye-bye. Bye-bye.